Prolog Corporation, manufacturer of industrial computers and control systems. Prolog builds computers to your exact specifications using modern computer-integrated manufacturing techniques. At Prolog, people have been placing a premium on quality since 1975. The result? The most reliable industrial computers on the market today. Prolog computers are rugged. They perform flawlessly even in the most demanding environments. No matter how exacting or specialized the application, Prolog industrial computers can be configured to meet your needs. And Prolog computers are so reliable, they're backed by a 5-year warranty. By offering a wide variety of processors, I/O subsystems, networking, and communications, Prolog industrial computers serve many markets. From the outset, Prolog's engineers work with you to create a cost-effective system tailored to your exact needs. As your requirements change, you get exactly what you need when you need it. Dennis Manchester of CEM Corporation.
Prolog gives us extra flexibility because we can just add or exchange a card to add new functions.
The quality manufacturing cycle begins when we receive your order. The turnaround time from order to shipment can be as short as 24 hours. Prolog enjoys close ties with key parts vendors for fast response to manufacturing needs. All parts from new vendors are inspected until a history of quality is established. Maintaining high standards at this stage results in a more reliable product. Each product's barcode tracks the history of the board throughout the assembly and inspection processes. At some stations, the barcode sets up machines to perform the exact function required. The result? Each board is assembled precisely the same way every time. We use surface mount technology to allow more function in less space. You gain more function per card and more value per dollar. We carefully inspect each board. Inspection data and test data yield a precise manufacturing history of each product, allowing us to continually improve our processes, yield, and quality. We also make a point to use our own computers for our manufacturing. Our custom wave solder machine is an example. It automatically adjusts temperature, wave height, and throughput. In fact, many of our computers network together, support and control the entire manufacturing process. The result? Immediate information transfer and a central database for important historical data. All boards are put through extensive testing. Only when all tests have been passed will the system print the configuration label. The result of this testing is an in-warranty failure rate of less than 0.1%. Bruce Kramer of NDC Systems.
Once we receive and install the production units, the defect rate is almost nil.
Once the boards check out, an operator assembles a complete system and tests it according to the customer's specific order. The system is then carefully packaged for shipment. Prolog's service and commitment to our customers doesn't end at the shipping dock. Prolog's computer network stores every detail of your system, even if it's been years since the original order.
Let's check some other stuff here.
Our customer support staff has immediate access to any repair and update history of every Prolog board and system. Such detailed knowledge gives you the widest possible range of information when you need it. Todd Ellison of LifeTouch National School Studios, Incorporated.
If we have had a problem, Prolog, more than any other STD manufacturer, has worked with us to find solutions.
Unlike many suppliers who repackage office computers for industrial use, Prolog designs its products for the industrial environment. With this winning combination of our quality manufacturing, 5-year warranty, ability to meet exact requirements, fast turnaround, and responsive customer support, Prolog is the solution for your industrial computer needs.